Welcome to Travel Partner official YouTube channel, where we take you on a journey to the most beautiful destinations around the world. Today, we're going to explore Positano, a picturesque town on Italy's Amalfi Coast. With its colorful houses, steep streets, and stunning beaches, Positano is a must-visit destination for any traveler. Subscribe to our channel for more travel adventures and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Let's start our journey and discover the secrets of Positano. As we walk through the narrow streets of Positano, we're surrounded by colorful houses, boutique shops, and restaurants serving delicious Italian cuisine. The town has a unique charm that makes you feel like you're in a fairy tale. The sound of the sea, the smell of freshly baked pizza, and the warm Italian sun on your skin make it a perfect destination for a summer vacation. Let's explore the town and find some hidden gems. One of the most beautiful beaches in Positano is Spiaggia Grande, a large beach with crystal clear waters and soft sand. The beach is surrounded by colorful houses, restaurants, and bars, making it a perfect spot to relax and enjoy the sun. You can also take a boat tour to explore the nearby islands and caves. Let's take a closer look at the beach and its surroundings. As we explore the town, we come across many steep streets and staircases that lead to stunning views of the sea. The town is built on a hillside, and the houses are stacked on top of each other, making it a unique and picturesque destination. Let's climb up the stairs and enjoy the views from the top. The Amalfi Coast is known for its stunning scenery, and Positano is no exception. The town is surrounded by steep cliffs, crystal clear waters, and lush green forests. Let's take a hike through the forest and enjoy the stunning views of the sea. As we hike through the forest, we come across many scenic viewpoints that offer breathtaking views of the sea. The trail is steep and winding, but the views are well worth the effort. Let's take a break and enjoy the scenery. One of the best ways to explore the Amalfi Coast is by boat. You can take a boat tour to nearby islands, caves, and beaches, and enjoy the stunning scenery from a different perspective. Let's take a boat tour and explore the coast. As we sail along the coast, we come across many hidden beaches and coves that are only accessible by boat. The water is crystal clear, and the scenery is breathtaking. Let's take a swim and enjoy the sun. The Amalfi Coast is known for its delicious seafood, and Positano is no exception. You can find many restaurants serving fresh seafood, pizzas, and other Italian dishes. Let's try some of the local cuisine and enjoy the views of the sea. As we enjoy our meal, we're surrounded by the stunning scenery of the Amalfi Coast. The sea, the mountains, and the colorful houses all come together to create a unique and breathtaking view. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel adventures and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. We're halfway through our journey, and we have many more exciting things to explore. One of the most beautiful islands near Positano is Capri, a stunning island with crystal clear waters, lush green forests, and picturesque towns. Let's take a boat tour to Capri and explore the island. As we explore the island, we come across many scenic viewpoints, gardens, and villas. The island is steeped in history and natural beauty, and it's a must-visit destination for any traveler. Let's take a closer look at the island and its surroundings. The Amalfi Coast is known for its stunning sunsets, and Positano is no exception. The sun sets over the sea, casting a golden glow over the town and the surrounding landscape. Let's find a spot to watch the sunset and enjoy the views. As the sun sets, the town comes alive with music, food, and drink. You can find many bars and restaurants serving cocktails, pizzas, and other Italian dishes. Let's join the party and enjoy the evening. The Amalfi Coast is a popular destination for hiking and outdoor activities, and Positano is no exception. You can find many hiking trails, scenic viewpoints, and stunning landscapes to explore. Let's take a hike and enjoy the scenery. As we hike through the forest, we come across many scenic viewpoints and stunning landscapes. The trail is steep and winding, but the views are well worth the effort. Let's take a break and enjoy the scenery. The Amalfi Coast is known for its stunning beaches, and Positano is no exception. You can find many beaches, coves, and bays to explore, each with its own unique character and charm. Let's take a closer look at the beaches and find some hidden gems. As we explore the town, we come across many colorful houses, steep streets, and scenic viewpoints. The town is a maze of narrow streets and alleys, each with its own unique character and charm. Let's get lost in the town and discover some hidden gems. The Amalfi Coast is a popular destination for foodies, and Positano is no exception. You can find many restaurants serving delicious Italian cuisine, seafood, and pizzas. Let's try some of the local specialties and enjoy the views of the sea. As we come to the end of our journey, we're surrounded by the stunning scenery of the Amalfi Coast. The sea, the mountains, and the colorful houses all come together to create a unique and breathtaking view. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel adventures and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and we'll see you in the next video. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media to stay updated on our latest travel adventures.